Hello friend, today I'll teach you how can you transfer your images using your Android smartphone, and how can you connect your DSLR camera using your Android smartphone. It's too much easy. So first of all you have to go in menu, and there is one option available, that is Wi-Fi slash NFC. So you have to, if this one is like this, then you have to enable this one first of all. Then you have to go in Wi-Fi function, then just go in connect to smartphone, and just choose the set. So I'm going to set. Okay, after this you have to click again, and from here you have to go in review slash change settings, and I'm going in the review slash change setting, and just click in the change it, and you have to choose the easy connection mode. Okay, and just press in the OK button, and just wait for a moment. Yeah, after this you have to you have to install a application. First of all you have to go in Play Store, and we have to search Canon Camera Connect. Okay, and there is one apps available, Canon Camera Connect, and just wait for a moment. I need to update this one, and you have to wait. Okay, just wait for a moment. So first of all you have to go in Wi-Fi. Okay, setting Wi-Fi, and from here you have to choose the EOS EOS 1300D. This is the signal which is coming from my DSLR camera. So after this you have to put the password. You can see in your camera display also. So I'm putting this one. Okay, after this you have to connect with this network. Okay, you have to wait. Yeah, now it's connected. I think my apps also updating this one. This app is developed by Canon Inc. Okay, and it have more than 49,109 reviews and more than 3.6 reviews. And okay, after updating your application you have to open this one. So I'm tapping in the open. After installing your application you can also tap that one, and there is agree option, and just wait for a moment. And there is one option is coming in your mobile application. So after this you have to tap in that camera, and in your DSLR camera also you have to press OK. After this just wait for a moment. Yeah, now it's connected with your DSLR camera. And from the image camera, okay, from the image camera you can select your images from here. See, here is lots photo which is taken by me. And I think if you want to save any photos, so first of all you have to tap. Okay, just wait for a moment. Just click in select, and you can tap this one like this, and I'm tapping this one, and you have to press in the download button. Okay, you can delete also from here. Okay, and there is two options available. One is reduce, one is and another is original size. And if you want in original size, you can choose the original size, and if you want to reduce, and you can choose the reduce option. But I'm choosing the reduce options. And see, I'm saving two images from my DSLR camera. Okay, now it's already completed. And you can also save your images using your Android smartphone like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hoping you like this video. If you want more this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hoping you will subscribe.